Hi, thanks for joining this Zero Hordbrun devlog. Hordbrun is a tactical multiplayer fighting game with a focus on team play in harsh northern environments. The characters of the land of Hordbrun vaguely resemble the tribes and peoples of the far north, fighting in difficult conditions. Our game uses a unique combat system, which consists in precise infliction of damage along inclined straight lines, depending on the position of the character's body. In addition, the weapon has clear physical edges, weight and inertia. All weapons and armor will wear out. Parrying and defending with a shield will also be controlled by the player himself. The character's movement speed will depend on the weight of the equipment and stamina units. She will play a very important role in the battle. Endurance will need to be maintained as it will be spent running, hitting, jumping, rolling, etc. Hand-to-hand combat with player throws will be implemented. All players receive equal damage regardless of whether they are an ally or an enemy. Thus, a maximum of 2-3 players will be able to attack one player. Otherwise, they can interfere with each other. The environment is also important. The enemy can be pushed off a cliff, removed a tree on it, broken a bridge, etc. Battles on ships will be implemented. The speed of the ships will depend on the number of players on the oars and on the direction of the wind. Customization of characters. Characters will be of different heights, which will add an interesting imbalance. Having different hairstyles and faces. Many modes and locations. And all this in multiplayer. When creating a server, you can choose any mode or customize your own. The game will have voice communication, which will depend on the distance of the players at the location. Opponents will also hear your conversation. There will be no shopping in Hordbrun, everything will depend only on your skill. Hordbrun is a game for real gamers. We have created a 3D model of a standard character on which clothes will be put on. We use the Unity engine for our projects, so next we imported the model into it. We created a test sword and shield and proceeded to create a character controller. Also, we've been doing character customization, movement, and coding for months, but we'll only show the highlights in just a few minutes. And of course we added inverse kinematics of the legs. It looks great. During the sprint, you can shoot down the enemy. And for a while he will be defenseless. We did not make a simple camera that hovers over the character, so we made it physical edges so that the player can always see his character. Also, we added a head turn, ick head, so that other players in multiplayer would understand where the player's camera is looking. The environment is also important. The enemy can be pushed off a cliff, removed a tree from it, broken a bridge, etc. So we created a physical controller to be able to do the above. As mentioned earlier, our game uses a unique combat system, which consists in precise infliction of damage along inclined straight lines, depending on the position of the character's body. Parrying and defending with a shield will also be controlled by the player himself. Before the release of devlog number 0, we played a bit of multiplayer. We did it so that you can create servers and connect to them. I think this is really cool. Follow Hordebrun on Instagram and Twitter, as well as YouTube. And yes, like this video